Right, welcome back. Let's have a look how to register in X3 Matrix. First of all, as we recommend people use the SafePal Web3 wallet, that you can use any wallet as long as it supports the OPBNB network. That's very important on the BNB coin. Right, so minimum that you need to register a basic position or beginner position, level 1 position is 0.001 BNB. But you will need a little bit of gas fees because OPBNB network is very cheap in gas fees. It is very minimal. It is probably one of the most cheapest networks on the cryptocurrency market. Right, so the minimum that you'll need here is 0.001001. So you can see I've got a little bit more. So if you're going to put in 0.001, I just want to show you the value. It's exactly 55 cents, so I've got 5 cents more. But if you're only going to put in 0.001, it is going to need that little bit of gas fees. It's not even 1 cent. But this is not enough to register, so you have to add that 001 as well. And that will then approve the transaction. Right, so I'm just going to go back here. Now you have funds in your wallet. Make sure it is on OPBNB. Then you're going to press on Explore tab in the middle, and you're going to tap on the search tab or enter a link at the top. Right, so here you're going to paste the link that you've copied. Make sure it is the correct sponsor ID, and you're going to press go. Make sure that your network is on OPBNB. Let me just go back there. It is not this one. This is not the BNB chain. Right, the correct one is OPBNB. It looks like this on SafePal. Right, so that must have the green tick. That is there. So then you're going to press go and wait for it to come up, and then you can see here 0.001 BNB. You can activate level 1. You can also choose multiple levels. It will change the amount. If you have that funds in your wallet, you will be able to register then. But first you need to upgrade to those levels. But we're just going to activate level 1 now, standard, and we're going to scroll up, and on the yellow tab at the bottom, press register, and then just confirm. If you do not have enough for gas fees, it will not let you register. Right, so this is what you will see when you activate your new account. So it's 6730 is the user ID. Alright, so that's 130 positions more since yesterday when version 2 went live. Right, so here you can copy your link. You can just copy it there until it says copied. Then you can forward it, or you can use it yourself. Here you can upgrade as well to multiple levels. You can even upgrade up to level 12. That's going to cost you 4 BNB. But you can upgrade multiple levels. It will auto-calculate the price or the amount of BNB. Just make sure you have that amount in your wallet plus a little bit of gas fees, and then you will be able to upgrade in one, and then just refresh, and then you will be on those levels. Right, thank you very much. Please reach out to the person that invited you or that sent this to you, and if you're watching this on YouTube, please like and subscribe for more videos and information. Thank you.